Welcome to Melt into the Moment. This is a slow surrender, a guided way to ease out of your mind and into your body, into each other. Let's begin. Take a moment to get comfortable.